All the hair over the ears clogging this motor. Wow. And here we go. Beautiful, look at that. We know Dyson Engineers make some pretty cool vacuums, but how do we save one from hair? Pulling apart the Dyson. You can see this motor, it doesn't turn properly anymore. So let's take it apart and see if we can fix it. As you can see, it takes a lot of force just to turn this thing. Look at that. Which means this little motor, won't be able to turn it. So we'll just get the screw out here and then see if we can see what's going on. It looks like it's clogged. You can see some hair it's pulled up over time. Torx. Let's get that out. That should help bring this apart. Yeah, look at that. It's in there. Alright, it took me a while, but once you remove this belt, you can actually slide this whole piece up. Okay, now I can do it just this piece. So I can confirm at the motor end, this still turns easily. Whereas at this end, it's still difficult. Okay, I can twist out the belt. See that? So this flat side on the circle lets you pull the belt out. Finally, so you just pop this side off and look at that. There you go. So this should spin, honestly, pretty freely once I clean that up. Check that out. Oh. All the hair over the ears clogging this motor. Wow. That is way better. Check it out. Can actually spin now. And I'll just put it all back together and let's see if it works in the actual vacuum. Alright, so we know it spins by hand now, which is good. It didn't before, it gets stuck. The question is, will the vacuum have enough power to turn it? And here we go. Beautiful, look at that. We're back. And happy it works again. New battery. Head cleaned. Thank you for checking out our video. I have something awesome to share with you. If you're an engineer and you like designing, creating, inventing, taking notes and jotting down ideas, then you might want to check out our Engineering IRL notebooks. We have a range available, including this Engineering Quotes notebook. We have quotes from engineering greats to inspire your next idea. If you want to see more, then please share, like, and subscribe to our channel.